Alright guys, this is the bike, my 2016 FZ07. I love this bike. I was thinking about selling it, getting something else, because me personally, I don't think it's fast enough. I took it to the Sacramento Raceway and I did about 12.3 on it. It was my first time doing it, so I only got one run in, but I'm pretty sure it's a little bit faster than that. But you know, you got R1s out there, you got 1000s, and of course there's no comparing to those, but I'm keeping it. So I decided to wrap it again. I've wrapped it before and it didn't work out, got frustrated, but I've seen a lot of people do it, so I'm gonna give it another shot. Hopefully this time I don't get frustrated and I know a little bit more now. So yeah, I'm gonna record the thing and hope to see how it comes out like. All right, see you guys in a little bit.
Don't you open up that window, don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know, in the hills is all we know. Don't go through the front door, it's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window, don't you let out that antidote. Yeah, party on a Sunday, do it all again on Monday. Split the check on a weekend, I might do it all again. That's bullshit.
Alright, so I just got done wrapping the bike. What do you guys think? Sticker bomb. It's pretty cool. What do you guys think?
Don't you open up that window, don't you let out that antidote. Popping pills is all we know, in the hills is all we know. Don't go through the front door, it's low key at the night show.